Alright, so I'm pulling into work. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm kind of dragging because I decided to stay up and record last night, but it's all good. I'm working. So after work, I headed over to Starbucks to discuss a project with the client and also to fix my YouTube page. Then I stopped over my mom's to grab something to eat, pick up Isaiah, and talk about a Christmas tree.
Alright, so now that I've made it home, before I do anything else, I have got to change the battery on this fire alarm. But right now I cannot find the stair stepper, so I'm going to use the next best thing to get up there. And I'm just going to use this suitcase to stand on so I can change this battery. So let's do this. Seems pretty safe.
That's my day in 60 seconds or less.